G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. This is episode 92 and we are making the New York Sour. So what you're going to need, you're going to need some red wine, doesn't really matter what type, just a red wine that you enjoy, a rye bourbon, some lemon, some sugar syrup, and from a bar tools perspective, you're going to need a jigger, a bar spoon, a shaker, and a hawthorn strainer. We're going to serve this in a rocks glass today, or an old-fashioned glass. And don't forget the juicer, unless you want to do it with your hands. All right, let's get started. So, grab your shaker, and we're going to load it up with some ice. We're going to pour 60 mils of your rye bourbon directly into your mixing glass. We're just using the Jim Beam one today. All right, 30 mils of lemon. So it's about a whole lemon. Let's try that again. All right, that's normally a whole lemon, so I'm just gonna squeeze it into the jigger to make sure I get enough. All right, there we go. So 30 mils of fresh lemon juice. Now we're going to pour about 15 mils of sugar syrup. Load up your old-fashioned glass with some ice, about 3/4. A couple more. And let's shake this up. All right. So now I'm just going to strain the liquid over the ice. Beautiful. Now the last step is to pour your red wine on the back of a bar spoon and layer the top. So if this goes right, it should have a nice little red wine layer on top of the cocktail. To make it easier, if you do have a pourer at home, give that a go, because it just makes it a bit easier when you're pouring it. If you don't, good luck. All right, so bar spoon, and just over the top. And there you have it. There is the New York Sour. Enjoy.